Bonjour à tous, hi everyone, and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 4, leçon E. And in this lesson, we'll try to answer this question. Où est le cube? Where is the cube? Où est le cube? Okay, so let's see that together. So here, first situation. Here, okay. So this is le cube and this is le cylindre. Okay, so just to make it clear, because that's the things we'll use to introduce, well, the prepositions. Le cube est sur le cylindre. So you can see it's on. Okay, so sur le cylindre. Okay, and there is contact here. Okay, it's quite important. Second option, same thing, but it's basically under here. Le cube est sous le cylindre. Okay? Le cube est sous le cylindre. Don't pronounce the final S, and then this OU combination of vowels is pronounced OU. Okay? Sous, sous. Le cube est sous le cylindre. Alright? Then here, no contact, and that's really important, okay? Le cube est au-dessus du cylindre. So let's repeat it. Le cube est au-dessus, final S not pronounced here, au-dessus du cylindre. Okay? Then, same situation, sorry, but then the opposite, so it's here, and no contact here. You can see no contact. Le cube est au-dessous du cylindre. Okay? Au-dessous, final S not pronounced, du cylindre. Le cube est au-dessous du cylindre. Alright? So here, I've been putting the plural form because we've got two here. Les cubes sont à côté du cylindre. So next to, okay? Les cubes sont à côté du cylindre. Le cube est à gauche du cylindre. Okay? Gauche, left. On the left of le cylindre. Le cube est à gauche du cylindre. Okay, then the next one. Droite, obviously it's right, on the right. Le cube est à droite du cylindre. Le cube est à droite du cylindre. Okay, in front of. Le cube est devant le cylindre. Le cube est devant le cylindre. And now, behind, it's not possible to see it, that's the reason why. Le cube est derrière, so behind, le cylindre. Le cube est derrière le cylindre. So I've been taking away the color just to show you that it's inside, okay? So in, le cube est dans, so in, le cylindre. Le cube est dans le cylindre. That's it. Take the time to watch it one more time if it's not clear for you. It was leçon E. Remember that the next lesson can be found on YouTube, and it's the name of the channel here, Imagier, or then the website imagier.net if you want more material. Have a great day. Bye bye.